Hello friends, this is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant. Alright, now I'm going to read you a story called Just a Mess by Mercer Mayer. Alright, let's begin. Today I couldn't find my baseball mitt. I looked in my treehouse. I looked under the back steps. I asked Mom if she had seen it. She said I should try my room. I never thought to look there. What a mess. Mom said it was time to clean my room, so I asked her to help. She said, "You made the mess, so you can clean up the mess." Dad was working in the yard. He said he was too busy to help me. My little sister said, "No way," and the baby didn't understand. I just did it myself. First, I put a few things in the closet. I put my clothes in the drawers. I straightened up my games. I shut the lid to my toy box and put away my books. The rest of the mess could fit under my bed, so I put it there. Then I made the bed. Won't Mom be pleased? I thought I might wash the floor. But Mom said no, so I vacuumed instead. Everything was just about perfect. Then I noticed that my pillow was missing. I looked on the other side of my bed, and guess what I found? My baseball mitt. The end.